right, we're here to talk about Islands in the Sun by Weezer and how to get your campfire karaoke version going. So first you want to play the intro for people so they know what song you're playing. And the grips in the intro, as you've probably seen on many other YouTube videos, are an E minor played here at the 3rd through 5th frets. So first finger at the first fret, at the 3rd fret of the 1st string, second finger 4th fret of the G string or 3rd string, and I like to use my 4th finger at the 5th fret of the B string, but you could use your 3rd. Then we're going to move to A minor, where we're just barring the 1st finger across the smallest 3 strings at the 5th fret. Then we're moving back to our open D chord, right? 1, 2, 3, and then a G chord. And the trickiest bit about this is the transitions and the strumming pattern. So I'm going to see if I can talk this through. It goes down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down. Turn the guitar down just a little bit. Down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down. That's the full pattern. E minor, A minor, D, G. That's the figure you hear in the intro and all through the song, and if you start playing that, your friends will be like, hey, get me a beer, we're going to play Islands in the Sun. Now, underneath the verse, you hear an acoustic guitar playing the open string versions, or the open chord, or the cowboy chord version of these chords. So, I like to play my E minor with my 1st and 2nd fingers at the 2nd fret of the A and D string, or the 5th and 4th strings, but you could play it with your 3rd and 4th strings if you like, and then you're going to move to an A minor, 1, 2, and 3, right? And then to the D again, and now to an open G. G, D, same as we had before, 1, 2, 3, and then G. And it's the same strumming pattern, so you're going to go down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down. Now, I'm going to talk through the transitions a little bit more on each one. Because I'm using my 1st and 2nd fingers, I just pivot on my 2nd finger there on the 4th string. So like that. And when I go from A minor to D, down, up, down, I make that A minor a little bit short, a little staccato, right? So I'll do, and you'll probably need to practice that transition just like that. Go really short, really short, and do it down, up, up, and then again short on that 2nd up there on the D, you see, down, up, up, and I'm releasing the chord, but I'm not taking the fingers off the strings. I'm doing that so that when I take my fingers off the strings, they're silent. So I'll start again from the E minor. And it makes it sound a little bit more like the intro figure, but with the open chords. There you have it. And so any transition that you're having trouble with, whether it's this one, you want to just zero in on that transition and repeat it over and over again. So you show your hands exactly what you want them to do. You show your fingers exactly what you want them to do. Over and over. And then put it back in context. And you may find, oh, now I need to practice the D to G transition. So let's see, where does that? I actually do a little bit of right hand muting too when I do the, I go up and I mute with my right hand there on the side of my palm, a little bit less exaggerated, on the bass strings there. So I'll go up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, with that little mute in between. Up, mute, up, down, down. I'll go back to those intro chords and just look at the same stuff. So I have to do that short strike right there. Little staccato right there. So I'm releasing the chord but not taking my fingers off the strings. Same thing as I go from the A minor to the D. But let's just say, hey, we want to practice this for a second. That much. Maybe that much. And again. It's the same basic muting, same ideas with both the open chords and then these smaller chords up the neck. I'm doing that right hand muting after the D chord. Right there. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So that right there for you, that right there is both the intro and the main guitar figure and the verse figure. I hope that was helpful for you. And, you know, like or bookmark the video. Please subscribe and tell everyone you know and all that stuff. Ring the bell and all that stuff. And come back for the other parts of the song, which we'll be doing later. Okay, thanks for stopping by.